Dear student, hello, how are you? I am Brijesh Pandey. Today I teach you a very important topic, friction. Okay. First we discuss what is friction. Friction is a contact force which always oppose the relative motion between two body. Okay. When one body moving forward direction, then friction force always act in backward direction. From above diagram, it is clear that a person pushing an object in this direction and friction force act in opposite direction. Okay, so it is clear that friction force always oppose the motion. Okay, always act in opposite direction of motion. Okay, one thing is that friction force also depend on weight of object. Okay, as we increase weight, the friction force also increases. From diagram A, B, C, D, it is clear that as we increase weight, friction force also increases. Okay, it is clear to all of you. It is clear to all of you. There are many examples of friction force, like a person run on road due to friction. Next, a squirrel moving upward due to friction. We can write on board due to friction. We can write on copy due to friction. Car run on road due to friction. There are many examples of friction which is not possible if friction not present. Okay, friction are basically four type. First is static friction, second sliding friction, third is rolling friction, and fourth is fluid friction. Okay, I discuss one by one. First of all, I discuss about static friction. What is static friction? From this particular diagram, it is clear that an object put on a surface. Okay, force is applied on object, but object not moving. When object have tendency of motion, because force is applied on object, so object have tendency of motion, but object not moving. In this situation, friction force acting in opposite direction of tendency of motion and known as static friction. कहने का सेंस ये है कि जब कभी बॉडी पर हम फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं बट बॉडी रेस्ट में है, उसमें टेंडेंसी तो है मोशन की बट वो मूव नहीं कर रही है, उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में जो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स बेसिकली एक्ट करेगा, दिस इज नोन एज स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन. एंड सेकेंड इज स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. ओके, सेकेंड इज sliding friction. When a plane surface slide on another plane surface, when a plane surface slide on another plane surface, in this situation which friction force act is known as sliding friction. Okay, if the body is sliding downward direction, then friction force upward act upward direction, but these are two plane surface, so in this situation friction force acting is known as sliding friction. I think it is clear to all of you. Next is rolling friction. When a rolling object roll on a surface, plane surface, then friction force acting in opposite direction of motion of rolling object, like rolling sphere, this type, in this situation friction force acting is known as rolling friction. Okay, In these three friction, the value of static friction is maximum. After that, sliding friction and रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन हैव मिनिमम वैल्यू। कहने का सेंस ये है, अगर आपको कंपेयर करने के लिए आए कि स्टैटिक, स्लाइडिंग और रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन में बेसिकली सबसे अधिक कौन सा होगा, तो आपका आंसर होगा स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम होगी और रोलिंग की क्या होगी, मिनिमम होगी। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फ्लूइड फ्रिक्शन। फ्लूइड फ्रिक्शन मीन व्हेन अ बॉडी मूविंग इन अ फ्लूइड, like when a aeroplane moving in air, like when a ship moving in water. In this situation, friction force acting on a body is known as rolling friction, fluid friction. Okay, fluid friction is known as drag force. Like in case of solid, we say that friction, but in case of fluid, opposing force acting is known as drag force. Friction force acting is known as drag force. Okay, and to minimize fluid friction, a very important design provide to object is known as streamlining shape. Streamlining shape, very important design. Basically, aeroplane designed in a streamlined shape. Okay, ship designed in a streamlined shape. Birds have naturally streamlined shape. Okay, fish have naturally streamlined shape. बेसिकली स्ट्रीमलाइंड शेप जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम डिज़ाइन कर देते हैं तो उस पर फ्लूइड फ्रिक्शन कम लगता है, मतलब ड्रैग फोर्स उस पर कम हो जाता है और वो बॉडी आसानी से जो है मतलब मूव कर सकती है गैस में और वाटर में, या जो भी आप देख रहे हो एयर में। ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट हाउ वी आल reduce friction in solid. Okay, so first, to reduce friction in solid, we use lubricating oil between rotating and sliding parts. Using lubricating oil, okay, we can make surface smooth and friction force reduce between solid object. It is clear? Okay, next, using rolling bearings. Okay, we all know that rolling friction is very less as compared to sliding friction, so we use rolling bearings to reduce friction in case of solid. And in case of fluid, as we discuss, to reduce friction in case of fluid, basically provide streamlining shape. Okay, basically provide streamlining shape. Next point is that friction is advantageous and disadvantageous both. मतलब फ्रिक्शन हमारे लिए एडवांटेजियस भी है, डिसएडवांटेजियस भी है। इस टॉपिक को हम कैसे समझेंगे? एडवांटेज ऑफ फ्रिक्शन इज दैट अ बॉडी कैन रन ऑन अ रोड ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन, वी कैन राइट at copy due to friction, and we can write at board due to friction. Okay, these are the advantage of friction. And some disadvantage of friction is that due to friction there is due to friction power loss is maximum. Okay, and due to friction in industries, in machines, there are many rotating and sliding parts, chances of tear, wear, breakage possible due to friction. So this is disadvantage of friction. Okay, so if we summarize overall topic in 2 to 3 lines, friction is a contact force. It always opposes the relative motion between two bodies. It acts always in opposite direction of motion. Okay, it is basically 4 type. First is static friction, when the body is in static condition. Second, sliding friction, when one body slide on another body. Okay, rolling friction, when a circular or disc like or spherical like object rolling on a surface. Fourth is fluid friction. Okay, when the body moving in like air and water. Okay, and friction is advantageous and disadvantageous both for me. Okay, I think all things clear to all of you, but if you have any doubt, you feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you.